In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the 6-digit authentication code on Discord. So before we get started, make sure that you have the Google Authenticator app. It looks just like this. So you can download it from the App Store if you don't have it. So now open Discord once you have it. And then go to your profile at the bottom right. And then click on the top right at Settings. Then click on Account. And then over here, scroll down until you see Enable Authenticator app. Click on it. And it's going to tell you to download an authenticator app. This is what I already told you, so you should be ready for that. You should copy this code, click on the copy, and then just exit Discord, don't exit completely, and then go to the authenticator app that you just downloaded. And then over here, just click on the plus at the bottom right, and then click enter a setup key. Over here, you can put any name you want, so you don't have to copy me exactly, and it doesn't have to be your Discord name as well. Just any name that you can identify it with. And then over here, paste the code that you copied. You can keep it time-based and then click on add. So now it's gonna show you a code with a timer. Once this timer runs out, it's gonna reload the code. It's gonna generate a new one. So let's put this code before its timer runs out. 956176. Click next. 956176, and it should automatically detect it. So now enter your Discord account's password just to verify. So I'm gonna just type it in right now. And submit. And that's it. So now it's telling me two-factor authentication is activated. And you can click done, and that's it. So any other 6-digit authentication codes that you want to get, you should get them on your Google Authenticator app or whatever authenticator app that you used. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.